What's up guys, this is TampaTec and this is Poolmate Hydro 4 SE, one of the latest robotic pool cleaners of 2025, and it's a simple plug and play robotic pool cleaner. You just toss it in the pool and it cleans your pool in a breeze. It says operation, slide left to on, and to shut down, slide right to turn off. And if you want to adjust the modes, you slide on and off and on again to change the modes. You'll see the LED change as well on the robot vacuum. So once you see that green light right here, then you can flick it on and off. That's floor mode, wall, and auto. Here's your extra O-rings and screws. And this is the plug-in for the robot vacuum. This is the power plug-in for your electrical outlet. Oh, there it is. This thing's actually lighter than it looks. I thought it was going to be heavier. And it looks like the belts are easy to replace, which is good. You just simply slip those on and off. Yeah. So this thing looks like it's pretty straightforward to maintain, which is kind of cool. Here's the bottom of it right here. It has dual water inlet design, increased cleaning area, and ensures smooth water flow and suction when climbing up walls. And it has two big brushes, and it's built like a tank. And here's the handle. Oh, wow. This comes out nice and easy. Looks like it's very easy to maintain. Nice. I like the design. Pretty straightforward. I'd like to thank Poolmate for sending this out for review. Turn it on. Just wait for it to boot up. So once you see that green light right here, then you can flick it on and off. That's floor mode, wall, and auto. We're going to set it to auto. Alright, so I like that you can use the controls right here on the robot vacuum. You don't have to use the app. And yeah, that works out really well for me because it's really user-friendly when you can just flick that switch back and forth and go through the modes. And you don't necessarily have to use the app. But of course the app gives you more features. So let's go ahead and check that out. Alright, so as you can see, there's the LED light right here. So we're going to go to Poolmate app, and then we're going to select 4 SE, Hydro 4 SE, and make sure the robot pool vac is out of the pool. It does not work and connect while it's in the pool. So we're going to connect, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, connection, and you see your presets right here, schedule, timing, cleaning, and then also you can do different modes, as you can see right here, 2 hour, 1 hour, 3 hour, floor mode, wall mode. You can do a custom. Okay, and then, so you also have firmware upgrade you could choose, and tutorials, and we're up to date, current version. Here's settings. So you might need to clear cache if you have any issues with the app, clear cache and try again, or you can uninstall and reinstall the app and make sure it's updated, or you can restart your phone or restart the robot vac. And so let's go back to home and ultra clean. Let's go ahead and we're gonna do a regular mode, 2 hour, floor, wall, and waterline, where it goes up to the tiles. So let's choose that and hit OK. And let's go ahead and hit start. Oh, you just put it in the pool and it'll start. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We want to grab the handle right here, and then let's go ahead and place it in the pool. I got the skimmer in the way, so let's go ahead and move that. And we're going to put this in the pool and just push down. Wow, it gets right up on the tiles, huh? That's pretty cool. You don't hear it until it comes out of the pool. It's really cleaning those tiles. If you're a type of person that forgets to charge your robot pool vacuum, or you're just tired of replacing your battery every few years, because you know robot pool vacuums battery tends to last between 2 to 3 years, because if you store it outside it's not going to last as long if you store it inside your house. And so this you really don't have to worry about. You just throw it in the pool, turn it on, and it just cleans up everything in your pool, and very little maintenance. You don't have to swap out the battery, you don't have to worry about charging the battery, and so it's just plug and play simplicity. Guys, if you're interested in the Hydro 4 SE, check out the link in the video description below. This is a high-powered robotic pool cleaner, and it's simple to use. You just plug it in, set the mode, and then toss it in the pool, and it's ready to go. And these are the clips. You can just push it a little bit forward and it unlocks. Hopefully this video was informative. If it was, give me a like. And if you're interested in the Poolmate, check out the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching.